Like any restaurant owner, Kevin wears a lot of hats: cooking, cleaning, payroll, and customer service. But when things get busy, Kevin misses important phone calls from customers. He knows that missed calls often mean lost customers and lost revenue. That's when Kevin discovered ATJ.Digital, the all-in-one CRM and marketing platform for restaurants. Now, every missed call is followed up with a friendly, automated text message. The customer responds instantly, and Kevin gets their message while staying focused on his business. With ATJ.Digital, Kevin never misses an opportunity to connect with his customers. Missed calls are no longer a problem, and Kevin's restaurant is thriving. Ready to grow your restaurant? Start turning missed calls into happy customers with ATJ.Digital.